Welcome to the Antioch Santa Barbara Writing Center tutorial on Google Slides, how to share and present your Google slideshow. We're going to cover how to find your saved slides, how to present, how to share, and how to make a copy of your entire slide presentation. So the easiest way to find your saved slides is to go ahead and go to your Gmail and then click in the slides area. This is going to take you to a screen with all of your saved slide presentations. To open the presentation you want to, just go ahead and double click on that. As you can see, right now we're in the editing mode. So to go to present mode, you have a couple ways to navigate there. You can click where it says present, or you can go over here where it says view, and then click present. So I'm going to go ahead and click present, and this will take us to present mode. To get out of this, just go ahead and click escape. You have a lot of options for sharing your slides. To share your slides, you can click here. And if you want to collaborate with somebody, you can make that other person an editor, and you can both work on the slides at the same time. So in this case, I'm going to share it with Allison, the Writing Center director, and I'm going to allow her to be an editor. It's always nice to send a note and then they get a message in their email, just letting you know that you've shared a presentation with them. So I can go ahead and send her an email invitation to look at the slides and to collaborate with me. Over here you can see that I've shared it with one person. You have other options as well. You might want to just get a link and copy the link and share that with somebody if you want them just to view your slides. So maybe you're emailing an instructor, or you just want to email your slides to a classmate just for them to view. So you could copy that link and then paste it into an email. One useful thing about being able to share with people is that you could share with multiple people. You could have a whole group of people, like a group of classmates, working on the same slideshow together. You could all be editing and adding to it at once, and it's automatically updated and saved online. Another option that you have with Google Slides is to make a copy of your entire slide presentation. So you might want to go File and make a copy of the entire presentation. And then you can open up the new presentation, give it a new title. This is a really nice time saver if you've spent a lot of time coming up with a format and layout and colors that you like. You can just copy that layout, and then if this was a new presentation, you can just edit that text for a new class, for a new assignment. So that's really convenient as well. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We have some other video tutorials available too, giving an overview, how to add text, formatting images, and embedding videos. We're also very happy to work with you on one-on-one appointments. We're open to all Antioch students, so shoot us an email if you'd like to set up a one-on-one appointment.